In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to copy a two-sided document page 1 to page 4 on the HP OfficeJet Pro 8135 printer series. We will use the automatic document feeder. So from the control panel, select Copy. We'll select Document Copy. We'll select Copy one-sided to one-sided. Let's copy. So page 1 and page 3 has been copied. So we need to reload the paper, which is in this orientation, rotate it 180 degrees and put it back into the input tray. Likewise for the document in the ADF, it is in this orientation. You need to rotate it and place it back into the ADF. Let's copy again. So the two-sided document is copied. You need to rearrange the printed pages. Page 1, page 2, page 3 and page 4. So this is how you copy a two-sided document on the HP OfficeJet Pro 8135 printer series.